Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today we're looking at an all-weather cargo mat for the Toyota Sequoia. This would be for 2008 until 2022. I'll put a link in the description of the part number where you can find it. But what I really like about this is it is specifically cut out so that you can retain your cargo hold-down straps. And I use that for our cargo net. I'll show you in the end. And it's nice that it's also two pieces, so you can fold this back, and as you see, it interlocks with the other piece that goes farther in. So if you want to put the seats up, you could at least keep that back piece. It is really nice that it says Sequoia right into it, and as you can see, you can put your items on it and it will help keep them from rolling around as much because of that rubber. Now it does have those little spikes on it, so that's one of my concerns because this is a newer vehicle and I didn't want it to tear the carpet up. But I think it will stay in place pretty well, and it's probably a better alternative, especially in my case if I ever want to put a toolbox or something in here. One, it'll keep it in place a little bit, and two, definitely keep that grease and dirt and everything off of the carpet. So I was able to then put the cargo net back up and still retain the tie-down hitches and everything just fine. This is specifically cut for the vehicle. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please check the video description where I have a full playlist on this vehicle. And if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. Thanks, guys.